Welcome guys to Mushroom Foraging Adventures, and this is our official hunt for pine mushroom. We're here in Chemult. I'm also going to take you step by step on this tutorial on how to start finding these when you first arrive here in Chemult. There is quite a great deal of flat areas here in Chemult. You might want to utilize the GPS. See that? Oh, nice. Nice size. Look at that. Keeps going. At least five. Yeah, at least five. Is it? Big one feels wormy. Look at that, guys. Another one. Oh, look at how buried deep that was in the ground.
Oh snap!
Oh, scanning around right
Look
now.
at this one, dude. How do you get this out? Like in between two
There. Oh man, you gotta dig under. Use a stick to
I
dig.
can't. My stick broke.
Oh, dude, I got it already. See, there's a whole bunch of dig marks around here. Yeah, but that's good right there. Check that out. Hold on, Smiley's found another one. So they're growing in the inside, outside, so basically everywhere. So here's a clear indication that somebody dug it. You see that white? Yeah, somebody took one out of there. Right here looks like a mound right here. See? And there we go, people. We got pine. Got one. There seems to be a second baby there. Okay, that's a mound right there. There's also another mound in there. Let's dig it up, see what we got. Little one. Yeah. See that? You have to go really slow or you're gonna miss these mushrooms. Okay. It looks like another mound. See that? Crack right there. There we go. Y'all see it, right? Oh man, he's wedged in there. There we go. Cover that. We're finding some, but not a whole lot. Here we have an eaten up one. Yeah. The deer love these guys as much as we do. See? I didn't think this was it. I thought it was a gopher hole, but hey, it's pine. Look at that. Nice. I think this area, all it would need is a good amount of rain to soak the ground and should be pretty good afterwards. Another mound right there. He's nice size. I'm scanning as I'm digging. I don't see any more mounds. Oh, I broke it. Oh no, I broke a nice one. It was stuck between a root. Broke it a little bit. I'm also noticing that the habitat is actually pretty healthy. It's just that there's a lot of people here, and what we're finding are what's left behind. Trying to get away where everybody's picked, we decided to go in a little bit deeper. Hopefully there's not a lot of scratch marks there. Check that out. You can see that one. Three, 4, 5. Yeah, you found some? I saw that. See, the animal tore up right there. I think there might be more under the tree over there too. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Damn, what's so deep?
2 little ones. You see the animal ate the stem?
Yeah.
So other than the animal, I don't think a person been through here.
Nope.
Check over there. Feels wormy though. Three of them.
You want by your small one.
Oh wow, these guys are deep.
I know.
Two nice ones. And I didn't even see the mound because the mound's so tiny. See? Nice. So that's the environment. Mom's got, what do you got?
Yeah.
Yeah, she got that much. See all that vegetation? Yeah, don't neglect it because sometimes they hide right underneath there. Just like that. See? And there's another one over there. I can see that. But this one made a mound. So you want to take a close look. That. A little bit buggy. And not just that, here too, right here, you can see it. Right there. I'm scanning in there to look for visible or mound. See? That's what Smiley's got. You've got pretty much the same, Mom too. These look nice, they look really white.
That one looks nice.
Yeah. Look at that, another one right here. See that? He feels wormy. Oh no, he's not. Since they're growing pretty much everywhere, we're looking out in the open like this, see that? And also in that vegetation too, they're hiding there as well. Under the small trees, under those bushes too. Even if you find it, the question is, will it be wormy? 3 of them, 4 of them, 5 of them, 6 of them. See that? Might be another one right there. But got that. Doesn't feel wormy. Yeah. That. And last one. go. But possibly another one. It's a crack right here. I think it is. Yeah, right there. Oh, they're tiny. Leave it be. So we got this much. Okay, right by there. Maybe a few more little ones right there and right there. Yeah, maybe he's not so little. Yeah, not that little. Yeah, he's nice. A little crack. And here's another crack right here. It's a bigger crack. There we go. A lot of people like to pick these because they're challenging. They like the challenge. Plus, they taste really good. Okay. You know the routine, up, down, left, right. Once you find one. Hey, Mom found these. She took off. She's gonna go look for more. I'll dig it up. A big old flower to get away from people's dig mark. Oh, he feels good. He's wormy, but man, he's a big, I'm gonna eat this. It's huge. Okay, then we have that gigantic mound over here. Might be one here too, right here, see that? Might be another one here. Yep. See that? Very hard to see. People love the challenge. They love to pick this mushroom. Yeah, he's nice. Let's get to that big one in a minute. Yeah, he's nice too. This is a big mound. Maybe one big flower or maybe a cluster. Or maybe something else. Oh, it's a pine. Oh, it's a pine too. But man, to make that big of a mound, I would think it's bigger. I hope you guys are paying attention. I'm going through all the areas that you need to look to find these. You know, open areas, thick vegetation, under bushes. So we're gonna go through all that in this video. Spotted a big mound right by the base of that tree. Right here. Are you it? Yes, you are. You're a good one. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh. Oh, he's massive. And he's good. Wow. That's a nice one. Too bad only one. Right there. Nice. Oh yeah, he's a fatty. You want the mushrooms to be like this big. Look, Russell over there. Oh, this guy.
Oh, that's a solid.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, he's good. So, we got that much so far. This place has a whole bunch of this. Yeah. Alachopa vergata, that's what those plants are.
Oh, no, tama. Sebelah.
Got that. Good one. Not wormy at all. This guy. Nope. Good, no wormy. That's a mound.
Shit, so hard. Oh, you.
That's a mound. He's nice. Look at that. Wiggle, wiggle. Yeah.
little deep.
Yeah. So there's one right here. But there's another mountain here.
Oh, small. Oh, man. Go. Hey. Hey.
I know, I saw that already.
I saw a log. You see it?
Yeah, I pointed out to the camera. Oh, wow, this guy got flattened. He got flattened by the log. So we found like maybe 10 around here. Not bad. This is how much all three of us picked together combined. Normally it's just one of us that picks this amount of volume. Not too good, not too bad. So we're just trying to get familiarized with where it's growing at the moment. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.